Alright y'all, so I'm about to go fix my bike. My dad's put it in the car. So I'm gonna have to squeeze myself in there. So I'm in here with the bike and we're about to go ahead and fix it. Basically what happened, I'm gonna put the video. Both the tires popped while I was riding it. I think I stepped on like a nail or something. So embarrassing. I had to go call my dad to come pick it up while I was like 10 minutes away from the house. Yeah, that was honestly traumatizing because as it popped, the suspense broke off. So
I don't know if it's worth it. How did this happen?
I don't know.
Maybe the nails in here?
I don't know.
Both of them?
The nail that affected how it came to affect it.
Yeah, might not be worth it.
Wow.
Yeah, might think about it. Sure, try
Thank
another
you.
store.
Really
alright y'all, so we're in another location for the bike fixing because the other people, they didn't really seem like they knew what they were doing.
My daughter ride and then they called me that everything has
That's what these ones, they know how to do. Alright y'all, so we just give the bike to the bike shop and we're gonna come in about like a week or two. So I'm gonna update you guys.
1 week later.
Alright y'all, so it's been about a week and we're about to go get the bike. I'm so excited to get the bike because I haven't had the bike in like 2 weeks. And I'm not gonna lie, it's been kind of depressing because I don't really, I haven't been able to go anywhere by myself because I don't have a car. So that's kind of like was my car basically. That's how I have to call it, my car. So I'm so excited because also yeah, it broke off right before summer was about to start. So yeah, that was really, yeah. So yeah, I'm so excited about to go get it and yeah. So there it is right there. I'm still working on it.
This pedal's broken.
Yeah,
Are you okay like that? Or?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Let me just put a little bit more air in there. Using this, make sure that there's air in the tire because when there's low air pressure, it might make the tire more
Okay.
worn out. The tube will rub on the tire inside here.
The front. Is it okay like this? Was this how the settings? Just it.
So we got it done, y'all.
Go.
Because of it's bigger than the other one. Alright y'all, the bike is in the car with me. They also give this bag like along with the bike. You can see the stuff we originally brought in, like the suspense that broke off, the spring, and just yeah, a lot of stuff that originally came with the bike. And I did like a mini bike drive test, but when I get back home, I'm officially gonna ride it for about like 2 hours. That's what I usually do. I was gonna ride my bike, but it started raining. Alright y'all, so just like we're gonna scotch that whole riding today. I'm not gonna ride it today because it's raining very heavily. So I'm gonna have to ride it tomorrow or next tomorrow. So it's kind of a bummer because I really wanted to test it out, but it is what it is. That's just nature for you. So I'll see you guys in about 2 days. Yeah, y'all, I definitely can't ride it today. Look how rainy it is.
Eternity later.
Alright y'all, so it's officially been like about 2 days and the rain has cleared out. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it out for the first time since it got fixed because it does look a bit different than how it was before. So you guys can see how it looks now. Like you can see the spring is a lot more higher than the other one. The other one was a bit shorter. You can also see the the chain on the pedal. You can also see the chain is kind of different. It goes a bit up instead of like balanced like before. And like it really doesn't look like a big deal to some people, but it actually really is a big deal because it does change like how the structure of the bike is. So I'm gonna go ahead and just ride it and give my honest opinion after I ride it for like about like 3 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna get off right here quick. Alright, so overall, like a review, honestly, it's not that bad. But like it feels like, because obviously since it's a bit upper, it's just like whenever I ride it, my legs, they don't really feel comfortable. Whenever I ride, this is like my honest like review. Honestly, it's not that bad, but like whenever I ride it, my legs, they don't feel comfortable. Like I literally had to like stop every 5 minutes like to adjust my legs, because it's like, since obviously the spring is pushing a bit up more, you kind of have to like change how you to like put your legs on it and stuff. Y'all can literally see like it kind of pushes both of the pedals together. Push both of the pedals together, because like your legs is like in an uncomfortable like situation. Honestly, I'm really like, you know, I'm not really living for that, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna have to, but it's manageable. Like if you stop like every like 3 seconds, like adjust yourself, because it feels like I'm gonna fall off like from the front. Like I'm just gonna like fall off as I'm riding in the front, you know what I mean? So that's the only like pet peeve about it. But honestly, the tires are good. The spring, it is pretty sturdy, I'm not gonna lie. Like my bike is dirty, y'all, but it is pretty sturdy, you know. So it's definitely manageable. So I'm gonna have to manage it until like either repair it again or we just leave it alone and I end up like thugging it out, you know. So yeah, that's the honest review on it. But I forgot to turn off the battery. But I'm just gonna ride this thing for like a bit more, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. To be honest, that experience was really traumatizing. I probably would do a story time on that on my other channel, because like it really was traumatizing, y'all. The spring broke off plus the tires at the exact same time. Like I can't even explain. Like it really had me scared, because I've never had that happen, like even a tire pop while I was riding a bike before. I never had a bike accident before, you know, especially 2 tires at that. Like people even in the bike shop, they're like, oh my gosh, 2 tires, like we never seen that before in my 20 years of repairing bikes. Yeah, they were literally like stunned in shock. But it is what it is. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I don't know if the lighting is good right now because I can't see myself, because I'm on my GoPro, I can't really see myself. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.